Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your handbrake if it's loose in a Renault Twingo. Probably the same for all the Twingos because they have the same handbrake setup. So first thing you want to do is you want to lift up both rear tires. Make sure that the wheels are not already dragging. Once you get underneath, you'll see these little clips. What you need to do with those is take a screwdriver or a pair of pliers and pry them up both sides. Like so. And then you should be able to undo it. And you need to undo 4 of these. There's one here. You need to undo this one, undo that one up there, and then also over here. And then you just take this, pull this down, and as you can see, the handbrake adjuster is right here. It's a 13mm, and it's useful if you have a swiveling ratchet for this. I've also just realized I can just use a 3/8 ratchet, long extension, universal joint, and a deep 13mm socket, and then you just sort of go from in here above here, and it fits perfectly on there. Makes it nice and quick. And then what you'll do is you'll come over to your wheel and then give it a turn. Make sure that the handbrake isn't dragging. This one sounds like it's dragging because I had it standing for a few days and it's got a bit of the usual surface rust on top. But as long as it turns freely, you should be able to tighten it up a bit more. Check that the handbrake is now a bit tighter. My one still needs a bit of adjustment. Should be about this much. So my one still needs about 1 or 2 clicks to go back. And then yeah, you just repeat the steps, 4 hands, and done. If you tightened it too much, as I just did, then you won't be able to turn the wheel. The other side still turns, but this side is stiff, so we'll need to undo it a bit. Then once you're happy with your adjustment, the refitting is the opposite of removal. So you just put the clip back on, twist it on there as far as it goes, and then what you'll do is to lock it, just press these tabs in, like so. And then just do this on all the other 4 corners. Done. The whole thing takes about 5 minutes to do.